we want to multiply these two binomials. So take the square root 3 times the square root 3, and then the square root 3 times a negative 2. Please know that if you multiply the same two square roots together, you always get what's underneath the radical. And I'll show you why. Square root 3 times square root 3 is the square root of 9, but the square root of 9 is 3. So it's just, if you you multiply the same two square roots together, you get what's underneath. That'll save you a little bit of time. So that's going to be 3, and then square root 3 times negative 2 is negative 2 square root 3. And now let's multiply 2 times square root 3, which is positive 2 square root 3. And positive 2 times negative 2 is a negative 4. These cancel out, and you're left with 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. Now the other thing, to save you some time, square root 3 plus 2 times square root 3 minus 2. Do you see how these are exactly the same, except one's plus and one's minus? So what you can do is skip multiplying these inside terms and outside terms, because I know my answer will just be this times this, which is 3, and then this times this, which is negative 4, and you get negative 1, and that saves you a couple of seconds.